Hey, grade fours, I'm going to show you how to do this next activity. So you've now arrived in Alberta and you've got your plot of land and you're going to build your homestead. So you first need to choose which year you're arriving in Alberta. You have four choices, 1891, 1901, 1911, and 1921. You can choose any year that you would like. I'm going to choose 1911. Then you need to refer back to the map of the regions. And you need to see in that year what regions were settlers building homesteads. So I know that the grasslands was an area where people were settling in 1911. So I'm going to choose grasslands. And now it's time for me to build my homestead over here in this box. I first look at the column called region, and I need to find pictures that would represent the region that I'm moving into. So I've got grasslands, so I'm going to grab some grass, and I can grab as many grass as I want to make this picture of my homestead. I know in the grasslands there might be some streams, so I'm going to put a stream that's coming through my homestead. After I've chosen my region elements, I'm going to move over to the farm or ranch column. Now, am I going to be a farmer or a rancher? So I need to think of some of my prior knowledge in the grasslands. Is this an area of land that would be good for farming? For ranching, what's the soil like? I want to think back to that video. I'm going to imagine that I'm a rancher. And so a rancher is going to bring in some cattle. Now I don't want my cattle to run away, so I'm going to build a fence around them just to keep them in. And if I can move any of these pieces to anywhere I want, maybe my cattle are going to be going by the water. And finally, I now need to choose a house type. When I moved to Alberta, I didn't have quite a lot of money, so I'm going to actually build a sod house, a soddy. So I'm going to bring my soddy in there. So as you can see, I've brought in some of the basic elements. I would jazz this up a little bit, put a little bit more detail into it.